Gentlemen, my name is Tommy Brown. Cheers. I just want to rap with 5 different languages. Okay. Yo. Si kau dah pernah semuyuk, sekali dari siap, anak ngadaran ibu berjepit, ibu kali dari siap. I speak the bars and I drop the rhymes and the people should know the boy is good to go. You know I got a flow. You know we never come here to slow it down. It's D Brown. I run the city and knock up. It's not because of God, me I for do things. But you are great, the boy they great things. I'm old in this game. I done the rap scenes. You gotta notice this boy is not a novice. Killing many flows, spitting metaphors. And I play with the rap till my head is full. My phone just a rig, now money they call Ajah got talent. I swear I stand tall and I never fall. It's freestyle I'm doing. And you know for real the boys right here and I'm killing. Like say I come here with the knife, I'm married to the game. Like say I take music as my wife. I realize I'm a star, so I'm shining bright. My enemies have told me, boss, I know they go. They try to take up on me, they say they go. Talk about me, but you know I'm here to write that to the top. Straight down, man, I never drop. Look at me, tell me what you see, you know. You see a star boy, blood the fatty dog boy. I'm killing the rap and I'm making the black on the spot. And you know that I'm coming back with the rap in the tag, and you know now. Audition, soon you go see me for talent. La television, got the vision, and I know so the weed. Now my mission, I know so, man, the vision is here. So the team is clear. I want the kind of the people that go where they never know. You know, say I be your Igbo. I like it go. You know, I like to flow. You know, like say I'm better right there, and I don't care. And the team, my face show and the team clear. Dropping the flow every day till I make up the pay. Look at the man, I don't come here to play. Man, you gonna know so we come here to stay. Tell me why you say you know when your mother in it, like I'm killing the beat that you're feeling the eat, and you know when you're putting down like you check a pan. See the monster, man, in the team that be listen, I'm a time. So I drop the rap, the clap, you know I'm about to spot to start on relax, cause you know I got a lot to talk about, no doubt. Listen.
Thank you. Wait, come. Sorry, you're supposed to tell us your name, your tag number, and what you are doing. Okay, what you are doing is music.
I'm a rapper, sir.
A rapper, what's your name?
My name is Tommy Brown. Tommy Brown, T-O-M-Y.
Please tell us the name that you register on the form.
Tommy Philip. Tommy Philip.
Tommy Philip. Please don't put Tommy Black or whatsoever, different name on the form, and you are giving us different name on the stage. Please, you are here. That might confuse us, and if you are winning, we may put you as a loser. So your name on the form is what?
Tommy Philip.
Tommy Philip.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your tag number is 30, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. All right.